Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZkSync era airdrop update and few of the latest updates on the ZkSync era. Now before we move on to ZkSync era, I also have one YouTube channel which is in Hindi language. Now if you want the airdrop content in Hindi language, you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel, links in the description. Now there is a hybrid exchange on ZkSync era which is GRVT, and they are going to do an airdrop, and I think in total there are around 2.3 million people waiting in order to sign up on GRVT. Now in order to sign up on GRVT and get the airdrop, you can use my referral link in the description, or this referral code over here. I have like 10 quota, which is a weekly quota for me, and it would be on the first come first serve basis. So if you want to have an account on GRVT, you can use it. Now with regards to there is a slight confusion with regards to the ZK ticker over here. So as you can see, Polyhedra, which is also L2 on the Ethereum, they had this original ticker which was ZK, and now ZkSync era is competing in order to get the ZK ticker over here with IP rights. Now if we go a bit down over here and check over here, as you can see, Polyhedra has given up on ZK ticker over here, and they have changed their ZK ticker to ZkJ. Now Bybit have also changed their ZK ticker, and also a few other players have also changed their ticker over here. And now Polyhedra, Starknet, and also Polygon ZK EVM are contesting against Matter Labs, which is the parent company of ZkSync era, against going for the ZK ticker and also having the IP rights for ZK. Now, apart from this, there is a lot of FUD going on with regards to the ticker and this IP rights over here. But I personally think that whatever is the outcome, there would be ZK summer, and you should be ready with altcoins and NFTs on the ZkSync era network. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Now, Trala is a GameFi platform on the ZkSync era, and they had this OGA NFT collection of 2,222 NFTs, which got minted out. Now, unfortunately, I tried opening a lot with gacha tickets, and I didn't get any Trala OG NFT. I might go in the secondary market and buy one for myself. Now, if we talk about the ZkSync developers, there is a planned upgrade before the governance, which is V24 upgrade. Now, there has been some issues with regards to this V24 upgrade over here. Now, I will go ahead and show you over here. So, they had made one tweet in the past where there was some problems or minor issues with regards to the V24 updates, and we don't have a clear date as to when this V24 would be upgraded now on the ZkSync era network, because they have delayed already 2 times. Now they would be waiting for the final thing, and they will go ahead and deploy this V24 upgrade over here. So this would include a base token, and as well as some complex technical jargons which they have used, which I am also not sure what they meant by it, but you can go ahead and read their GitHub book over here. Now if we talk about Memento blockchain and Deutsche Bank, they are doing a tie-up, and they are integrating something called as a Product Guardian on ZkSync era network. So this should be a big thing, I think so. And I also forgot to mention one more thing, that this Trala OG NFT will give you a airdrop of Trala token, which has a ticker of like dollar triple T, and this airdrop should be a soon. But I personally feel that this Trala GameFi project would be a massive one on the ZkSync era network. Although once again, none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. Now, with regards to BigInt is an NFT platform or an NFT marketplace on ZkSync era network, and they are also going to do an airdrop on ZkSync era network. Now, who is eligible for the airdrop and as well as for the ICOs? As you can see, they have this BigInt token private sale, which is for BigInt handles holders, then inscription holders, then Echoes of Picasso, Dwarfling, Duties, VBS. Now I almost hold all of this, so I think I would be eligible for the private sale of BigInt. And as you can see, there is one user who has asked BigInt this question, when airdrop, and they have replied soon. So there would be a decent airdrop for BigInt as well. Now, to be honest, there is a huge competition when it comes to NFT marketplace on ZkSync era network because of the low liquidity as of now, because, and to be honest, there are a lot of players like there is Element Market, there is BigInt, then there is OmniC is there, then there is Rallyburls is there, then there is ZK Markets, and lot of them. And hopefully ZkSync Era sees OpenSea and Uniswap soon on their layer 2 of Ethereum, and that should bring in more liquidity on the ZkSync Era network. So these are some of the updates with regards to the ZkSync Era network. And with regards to the ZkSync Era airdrop, I still feel that the airdrop should be somewhere in July or maybe in August, because first thing is like the V24 upgrade is not done yet. So we are not sure about when the V24 upgrade will be done, because the team is yet to come out with the latest news. And the second thing is the ZK ticker fight, and also the IP fight which is currently going on. So this is all for this video with regards to the airdrop and some of the updates on the ZkSync Era network. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.